coming out the live like trap money, like on God. I don't fuck with none of these niggas on God. I'm sorry, God. I'm saying. Got to how I feel. When my niggas say I don't do it, I make Diddy. Make it fit Diddy. They said they want the old breathing. Nigga, go hit me. Raps gon' hit me. Fuck me up, baby. Go fuck me up, ho. Pay me. Write me a paper or write me an essay, bitch. Why you got whole reason why you like me? Call Diddy. Told who did it. Tell him who did it. Tell him who. Go 50. Kill Drake. Who killed that nigga? Kill that nigga. Call the niggas. Call 50. Yeah, my niggas go hold 50. Go hold 50. I got a Glock and it go on this shit. Go bounce. Go on this shit. I bounce. Most of these rappers can't count. These rappers gon' slime me out. Two of the niggas gon' slime me out.
All the love I'm just pushing me top. I was trying to figure you out. You just wanna come. Oh my God, I hope I flush on it.
Two of them niggas gon' slime me out. And I'm in my belt, on me out. They like gon' slime that out. Gon' bitch slime me out. Damn, free young thug got to sell my belt. We're gonna taking the plea. They see I snitching on me. He ain't gon' snitch on me. Ain't got no fuck around Big Diddy. Rappers they cuffin' they Diddy. I don't fuck with Drake and it. Got hella chips on me. Let else choppers out. He don't think I know what he did last. About the ex little nigga. I'm been testing little nigga. I been being a little nigga. Telling them niggas to get mad. I'ma get back for my mans now. Bad shit in the bad shit in that shit. That's in the pad now. That's in the shit. We ain't even bad. Think he mad about that bitch.